Hey, what's up you guys, it's Cesar here. I hope that you are doing well, and today I'm going to show you how you can earn your first $100 in commission with affiliate marketing. But right now, I'm going to answer the question, is it possible to make $100? Well, this is one of my affiliate marketing accounts. These are the total sales, $63,225. So it's possible to make $100. And in this video training, I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do in order to achieve your first online commission. Now, if you don't have right now an offer to promote, you can go to a site, for example, clickbank.com, then click on Marketplace, and you're going to see all of these categories that you can use. And if I click here in Home and Garden, these are all the products that we can promote. And if we choose the first one, that's woodworking, and if we make a sale, we're going to earn $56. So we only need 2 sales to make $100, right? Let me click here, and these are 16,000 ideas about woodworking projects, and we have here all the information about this product. So the best way to promote this right now, guys, we're going to click here on promote, then generate the hub link, and this is the link that we need to promote in order to make a sale. But I'm going to show you the right way to promote this link. So we're going to use this website. The name is rebrandly.com. We're going to click here to add a new link. Here we're going to paste the ClickBank affiliate link, and in the slash tag we're going to put something related with this product, for example, woodworking 01. Now we're going to see if we are able to create this link. And this is the link that we're going to promote, guys. rebrand.ly/woodworking01. If I copy this and paste it on another tab, you're going to see that we're going to redirect to the video sales letter of this product. So this is working. Now that you have this link, the next question is, how do I get the traffic, right? If you go to tiktok.com and right here, woodworking, you're going to see all of this content about woodworking projects, right? We're going to click here in the first video, and as you can see in the screen, we have here a link, and in that spot you need to paste this link. But how are you going to do that, right? Well, you need to create a TikTok account, and if you like to work with wood, you can upload this type of content and then paste here your affiliate link. So if someone buys through that link, you're going to earn a commission. Now, this is the easiest way to promote an affiliate link, guys. I'm going to show you a second method, and this is the method that I suggest you to use to build your affiliate marketing business in a long term. You can use a software, for example, this is GetResponse, and you need to create a landing page like this one for your affiliate offer, right? Then you're going to collect a lead, and when you have the email list, you can go here to create a newsletter and then send the offer by email to your subscriber. And this is the best way to build an affiliate marketing business, guys, because you are building your email list. Now, if you want to get access to my free affiliate marketing training, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. And also, if you want to download a free ebook about affiliate marketing, you are going to be able to do that And if you like this information, like this video, also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon. Bye.